In this lesson, we'll go over how to use the Mobile Field app to locate your sample locations. On the project-specific home screen on the mobile app, the right side of the screen has a satellite image of the project location. For sample locations which have GPS coordinates uploaded, these sample locations will be displayed on that image. You can zoom in and out to see locations relative to surface features and other sample locations at the site. If GPS coordinates have not been uploaded, the location will not be shown on this image. You can further identify sample locations by clicking on a specific sample to the left. This will bring you to the next page with specific details regarding that sample location. At the top of the page are photographs that have been taken of the sample location. If you click on a photograph, it will enlarge. These photos will often help you identify the location of the sample relative to site features. Just below the photos is another satellite image map with the location of your selected sample isolated. Click the Directions button on the bottom right, and this will enlarge the satellite image showing you the location of the sample location relative to site features. Again, you can zoom in and out to see the location relative to surface features. If you click the small target GPS icon on the bottom right of the image, this will identify your mobile device location on the map with a blue dot and show your position relative to the sample location. You can then use this image to guide yourself to the sample location. Once you have found your sample location, click the back arrow at the top left, and this will take you back to the sampling screen so that you can resume normal sampling procedures. This is how you use the Mobile Field app to locate your sample locations.